Seems everybody need a place to get away from the stress of daily living. You know what I'm saying? A place to set loose and get free. I got this. For me, I jump off in my wheel. You know what I'm saying? Blunt ready to roll. 24/7. Crank the beat up. Hit the strobes. Just try to let that shit fade away. It ain't no limit to my hustle like Master P. Respected as an artist could be. Masterpiece, I would've been dead if I ain't had my peace. But the situation settled, now I have my peace. We carry pieces for survival every once in a while. You see the peace between rivals of shit. Get gangsta, 911 gets dialed. See some living denial, and when smacked with reality, they choking, they on vile. My oh my, with what I seen with my eye. I combine these 26 letters, oh so fly, that you got to applaud a G. Cause I am rap's next prodigy. And I ain't got to tell nobody that you're fraud. They see that I am raising up the bar, and it is hard to beat. You need a harder beat, it must be hard to feed. I don't even call it thugging, it's the poverty, or it's the scars in me. Lonely nights in my cell, the shit that hard in me. Self-imprisoned in this hell, but God has pardoned me. Now the tears make sense, bound to poverty. So I'ma let the top back and ride. Let the beat drop, let the windows down, let the top back, this is how it's going down. Puff, puff, pass on the throat so it goes around. And my nigga, if you see them crackers, try to hold it down. I'm about to let the beat drop, let the windows down, let the top back, this is how it's going down. Puff, puff, pass on the throat so it goes around. And my nigga, if you see them crackers, try to hold it down. Ever since I was a juvenile, been back cash money, a little BG with a strap, so it's hard to take it from me. I'm draped in camouflage and riding a Soldier Slim. I'm kinda thin, a slim thug with a gangster lean on my brim. And I remember being a young buck with nothing more than 50 cents. We went from boys to men and still tripping cause it's little flip money. Can barely pay the rent. We some lunatics and it's ludicrous to think that we might be new to this. I'm true to this, I'm an OG. Like Run C, pushing 5,000 watts. Nigga beating up the street like gorillas. In the midst of some killers, I feel the realer I get. You gon' be feeling my shit. Let the beat drop, let the windows down, let the top back, this is how it's going down. Puff, puff, pass on the throat so it goes around. And my nigga, if you see them crackers, try to hold it down. I'm about to let the beat drop, let the windows down, let the top back, this is how it's going down. Puff, puff, pass on the throat so it goes around. And my nigga,